What is Dawn?
Dawn is York College's Drug and Alcohol Wellness Network. It's pretty much a coalition of students, faculty, staff, and also community members that's really dedicated to reducing harm that might be associated with alcohol, tobacco, and other drug use.
Why was the name changed to Dawn?
Well, administration realized that they needed not only a name but a logo that was more engaging for the student population and the campus community. Hence the transition from LEAD to Dawn. And Dawn provides us with a wonderful logo and wonderful name that students can feel really comfortable with, not only from an advocacy standpoint, but when they're seeking different services.
What is the purpose of drug and alcohol awareness programs on campus?
Really, the purpose of alcohol, tobacco, and other drug programs is to promote programming and policies so that as a result, hopefully students will start really thinking about their own personal development, their own lifestyle choices, and come up with a personal plan in regards to healthy choices relating to alcohol, drugs, tobacco use, and really take what's happening around campus and all of the positive social norming to make sure that they're developing something that they can use in their future.
As college students, drinking and drug use is often viewed as the fun and cool thing to do on campus. In what ways does Dawn plan to raise awareness of the dangers of alcohol and drug use?
Well, along with having an impact on policies and procedures on campus, Dawn seeks to provide extracurricular activities from a social standpoint to give students an option that are absent alcohol or other drugs.
Reaching out towards the campus community is essential towards raising awareness and understanding of alcohol and other drugs. Why would a student reach out to Dawn?
That's a great question. There are, I think, a lot of ways or reasons why a student might reach out to Dawn. I think it's important to note that first, there is student representation on the Dawn committee. We have a representative from Student Senate, from the Campus Activities Board, and also from the Peer Support Network. So it's a great way for other students to seek out those individuals to bring any issues to the table. They might come to Dawn with maybe a concern about a trend that's happening on campus in regards to alcohol use or drug use. Or it may be something more personal. Maybe a student really just needs a referral. They need more information. They've gotten into some trouble and they're not sure where to go. Dawn can then really help point that student into the right direction, whether that's going to counseling services or speaking with someone in residence life, or even just how do you get involved outside of maybe the party scene on a Friday or Saturday night and making students aware of what else is going on, that they have options to attend.
Sometimes tragedy hits close to home. How can Dawn have an impact on members of the campus community who have been affected by the tragedy of alcohol and other drugs?
Well, Dawn's main role is advocacy, and what they seek to do is make sure that folks who are seeking services either know where their services are or are given the proper direction in order to get the help that they needed. Again, Dawn's main role is advocacy. They want to make sure that folks are supported when they are seeking the services that they need so that they are successful.
Members of the Drug and Alcohol Wellness Network come together as a large group about 3 times a semester to discuss programs and policies and then advocate for those programs and policies that will have an impact on students as they make decisions about drug and alcohol use.
We are dedicated to promoting harm reduction and the prevention of problems associated with alcohol and other drug use on campus.